guys, I'm Sachi and today's video is going to be a little different from my other videos. I am here to talk to you about a cruelty-free beauty vegan brand that I have tried and put to the test for 2 weeks, and it's called Love Beauty and Planet. It was launched here in India last year and I've been hearing so much about this brand, but it took me a while to get my hands on their products. But I finally did and decided to give it a shot. So if you want to know more, then continue watching. Before we begin, if you are new to the Be Beautiful channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you are always notified when we put out a new video. Let me first explain to you what cruelty-free means. Cruelty-free is a badge of approval typically given to products that do not harm or kill animals in their development and testing phase, especially with beauty products where animal testing is so common during production. Being cruelty-free also means that the company does not hurt animals during the making of their products anywhere in the world. Love Beauty and Planet is one such cruelty and vegan brand that is PETA certified. What's more, that they also use 100% recycled bottles for their products. Being an animal lover, this brand impressed me a little more before I even tried out the products. Anyway, the product that I'll be reviewing, the Love Beauty and Planet Tea Tree and Vetiver Aroma Daily Detox Body Wash. Exotic ingredients, no? The Love Beauty and Planet with coconut water and mimosa flower aroma luscious hydration body lotion. I picked this one because my skin leads towards the drier side and also winter is approaching. The Love Beauty and Planet Muru Muru Butter and Rose Aroma Blooming Color Shampoo Plus Conditioner. I have color treated hair and this honestly seemed like the best fit for me. The first product that I tried was the body wash. I am someone who loves a good fragrance, but at the same time it shouldn't be too potent, and this just does it for me because it's so natural and it has such amazing ingredients. It also has tea tree, which is very amazing in terms of its antibacterial properties. So that really helps in keeping your skin absolutely calm and rejuvenating, and it lathers beautifully, leaving my skin feeling so soft and smooth. I tend to have dry skin, so this really hydrates and moisturizes it without stripping the moisture away from my skin. The fragrance lasts for hours even after I've showered, so that's what I love about this. The second product I used was the body lotion. I love this because the ingredients in this is absolutely amazing. It has coconut water, it has Moroccan mimosa flower, which gives it a very rich and powerful burst of freshness. This also smells amazing and it contains no parabens, no silicones and no colorants. The consistency of the lotion is actually amazing. It's very, it's thick but it's very lightweight in the sense that it really absorbs into the skin beautifully. And I cannot get over the smell. I have dry skin, so I love the fact that this penetrates so deep and it really feels like your skin is nourished for 24 hours. So this is something that I will definitely purchase because it's not at all sticky, and I'm very particular about how my moisturizer or my lotion feels on my skin. I don't like that greasy mess feeling at all. I also love the fact that I honestly get a bit of dry patches on my elbow, so that really helps to remove that and to make it a little more hydrated in those areas. So for example, your heel area, maybe even your knees. So yeah, for the hair products, like I said, I have chemically treated hair, I have colored hair, and I've always had trouble finding the right shampoo and conditioner. This shampoo delivered a healthy shine while protecting my hair color, and these vegan shampoos and conditioners are actually filled with these exotic ingredients that are really beneficial for your hair. It is enriched with natural Muru Muru butter and ethically sourced rose to absolutely nourish your hair and leave behind oodles of volume. The shampoo smells so good. I love having my hair smell nice. It's like the fragrance and the perfume that you always want. This lathers up beautifully. I think it really gives a good lathering. Even if you wash your hair for one time, it can really get rid of all the dirt and the crimp from the day, and it just makes my hair feel good. It's like a pick-me-up when you're having those bad hair days. The consistency of this shampoo was surprisingly a little runny. Like, you get a lot of product at once, but at the same time it performs beautifully because you can just use this once and it really does like a fab job. So like I said, I actually have very fine hair, so for my conditioner I always want to go with something that's a little more thicker, and this actually surprised me because this is more runny than what I expected, but at the same time this goes so well with this shampoo. So it's a beautiful combination. It really gives you that hydration and it does a good job without leaving your hair feeling super greasy. It also also smells beautiful and it leaves the texture feeling very silky, very smooth. And I also notice when I apply this conditioner as a mask, I can really just use like a comb and my hair looks and feels much straighter. So this is not blow dried hair, and I've just used my shampoo and conditioner and it looks beautiful. So these shampoo and conditioners do not contain a lot of chemicals. They are more gentle on the scalp. So overall, using these products for 2 weeks, it's definitely been a part of my routine now, my skincare routine in terms of my body and my hair. It's something that I feel is meant for everybody. It's also amazing because it's cruelty free, it's vegan, it has no parabens, it's absolutely meant for the planet, and that's why it's called Love, Beauty and Planet. And I'm really curious to try more of their products. Let me know if you have in the comment section below on how it worked for you. I think while brands are doing their bit towards a greener planet, it's time for you to do yours too. There can't be a better time than today to make the switch. And I think even just shopping from the right brands can help you do so. So before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful. Press that bell icon so that you are updated with our latest videos. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon.